Let us go to visual diagnosis of head hair. The topic is dandruff. The scalp is affected by the same factors as the rest of the skin. The scalp is nourished and moistened by blood and yin. The most typical manifestation of an imbalance that can be seen in the scalp is dandruff. Dandruff can be dry, in which case it is usually due to blood deficiency or yin deficiency not nourishing the scalp. The dandruff can also be oily in appearance, in which case the cause will be probably the essence of damp heat or phlegm dampness. Damp heat will usually also result in the scalp being itchy at the same time. Dandruff consists of small, white, dry scales which slough off the scalp. The most common cause of dandruff is liver blood that is deficient and fails to nourish the scalp. If the production of dandruff is profuse and it comes in bouts, it is due to liver wind, usually stemming from liver blood deficiency. Dandruff may also be due to heat conditions, in particular liver fire, damp heat in the liver affecting the head, or toxic heat. For liver blood deficient and dry, one can experience having dandruff, dry hair, dry skin, dry eyes, dizziness, blurred vision, floaters, numbness or tingling of limbs, dull, pale complexion, pale tongue, and a choppy or fine pulse. The acupunctures to be used for this is liver 8, stomach 36, spleen 6, ren 4, and kidney 6. For liver blood deficiency with liver wind, one can experience dandruff, dry hair, dry skin, slight tremor of the head and or hand, facial tics, dizziness, blurred vision, unilateral numbness and or tingling of the limbs, pale and thin tongue, choppy or fine and slightly wiry pulse. For liver fire, there will be dandruff, feeling of heat of the head, headache, red face, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, propensity to outbursts of anger, thirst, bitter taste, constipation, dark urine, red tongue with redder sides, and dry yellow coating, and the pulse will be wiry and rapid. For damp heat in the liver, one will have dandruff, greasy hair, yellow eyes, excessive earwax production, fullness of the hypochondrium, abdomen, or hypogastrium. There will be bitter taste, nausea, feeling of heaviness of the body, excessive vaginal discharge and itching, mid-cycle bleeding and or pain, genital, papular or vesicular skin rashes and itching, urinary difficulty, burning or urination with dark urine, and red tongue with redder sides and sticky yellow coating, with a pulse that is slippery, wiry, and rapid. For toxic heat, there will be dandruff, scalp skin infections, boils on the head, feeling of heat of the head, red eyes, thirst, red tongue with red points, and thick, dry yellow coating, and there will be a slippery, overflowing, rapid pulse. For invasion of wind, heat, and dryness, there will be dandruff with acute onset, dry cough, aversion to cold, fever, dry throat, tickly throat, dry nose, discomfort of the chest, thin, dry, and white coating, and floating pulse. So for observation of the head hair, when there is hair loss, the significance is yin deficiency, blood deficiency, fire, damp heat, or blood stagnation. If the hair is greasy, there is damp heat and damp phlegm. For dry hair, that is yin deficiency, yin deficiency, blood deficiency, fire, or excess heat. For gray or white hair, that is yin deficiency. For dandruff, that's yin deficiency, yin deficiency, blood deficiency, or damp heat. For chaotic or odd hairstyle, that is shen disturbance. Thank you so much for your attention.